Unit tests are near. Now, what would any common parent do? They would go on to their WhatsApp groups and ask around for any verbal or written cues that the teacher might have given for a subject. Shh! But here is a secret for which you must keep to yourself and don't share it with anyone ever. We are not common parents, and neither is Walnut a common school. So we have an awesome feature in Walnut which is available via the Wall SH app known as the Portion Circular. The one place where you can access all the content and all the portions for all units for all subjects right on day one. Not only that, you get access to the material taught therein too. Next time you hear any parent express how frustrating it is to get any information from their own schools, just smile. Don't tell them anything else. Let me now show you on how to actually access this information from the Wall SH app. You know that you can access the Wall SH app via the browser as well as via the mobile app. When you go to the menu, you can see a list of things here and you can see something known as curriculum updates. When you tap on curriculum updates, you can see your daily updates and in which you can see whatever has been taught in the day for your child, or you can see your weekly updates, which you can see curriculum updates between a date range. Right in between there, you see something known as portion. When you tap on portion, you get to see this screen, which you can show, which shows you actually what the portion is for each of your units. So when you click on show portion, it just shows you all of the content which we will be teaching in that unit for every subject. Now, what you see here are codes. Now, these are codes which are assigned to an individual document which is shown to your children. These can be in the form of worksheets, it can be in the form of presentations, quizzes, answer sheets, and so on and so forth. Now, the beautiful part is you can click on these worksheets codes or answer sheet codes and access the actual content. When you tap on it though, make sure that you're signed in with your Walnut email address. Otherwise, you will not be able to access that content. Now, you might also see here that there are some codes with a link on them, but there are some codes which do not have a link. Now, why is that? That's because this has not been taught to your children up to now. Only when the teacher marks it as taught in Walnut School will these links become active and you can click on them. Now, the thing to remember here is that our Walnut curriculum team has taken tremendous efforts to make sure that presentations are made in a stepwise format. So there are animations to show each step, especially in mathematics, to make sure that your children understand even when they are seeing it without the teacher right at home. So when you click on any presentation link in Wall SH app, make sure that you're downloading the presentation onto your local folder. That is the only way that you can see all the awesome animations and the stepwise format which the curriculum team has created just for you and your child to make sure that they can learn at home too.